Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Robinhood with Binance. The first thing that I'm going to compare are like the main advantages and disadvantages that I see and what is my recommendation for you to do. Then I'm going to compare fees structures they have, and that's pretty much it. So this is going to be a really quick video and I won't be talking here for 10 minutes what you should do and how you should act. So the most important thing is that you don't actually own crypto on Robinhood. You don't actually own it also on Binance, because if someone would hack your account, you wouldn't have it. So that's why you should, if you're gonna invest a lot of money, you should like buy, I don't know, the hardware wallet where you can transfer your crypto. In Robinhood, you can't withdraw crypto. This is the most important thing, that I would never ever recommend anyone buying crypto on Robinhood. Only because, let's say that you want to transfer your crypto to hardware wallet or just, I don't know, do something with it. You can't. You need to actually sell it. So let's imagine that you are going to invest $10,000 to Dogecoin or Doge, or I don't know how should I call it, Dogecoin. And then it would rise 7-8 times more. And let's say that you want to invest more into another crypto. So you would like take the Dogecoin from Robinhood and you want to transfer it to, let's say, Binance or Coinbase and buy other cryptocurrencies. You can't do it. What you need to do first is to actually sell the Dogecoin. Then you would, let's say that you would have 100K. Then in the moment when you sell, you need to pay taxes out of it. And you need to withdraw the money from Robinhood. Then open account somewhere else. Transfer those 80-90K of your whatever, like, money you got, and then buy crypto there. So you need to do this. You come here and you just sell crypto in Robinhood. Then you need to pay taxes. It depends what state you're in, of course. Then you need to gonna have fiat dollars, and you need to open different account, let's say Binance, Coinbase, whatever, and buy crypto there. So it's crazy. And you're gonna have withdrawal fees, deposit fees, convert fees, like whatever, I don't know, trade fees. So it's not really effective to actually buy crypto on Robinhood, and I don't recommend doing it. Now, on the other hand, I'm not paid by Binance, of course. The next thing is, with the Binance, they have fees which are extremely low comparing to Robinhood. With Robinhood, they are not really transparent how much fees you're gonna pay, but it goes from 1% to 2%. They get those spread fees that you're gonna buy Bitcoin 1% more expensive or something like it. So if you like open Robinhood, Binance, Coinbase, you would see different prices. And those are the spread fees that you would see. Now, on the other hand, with the Binance, you can see that they got extremely low fees comparing to Robinhood. You see the maker and taker 0.10, 0.10. If you're going to use the BNB fee deduction, it's going to be even less fees. But even just like those default fees are extremely low. So I would definitely recommend using Binance if you want to buy cryptocurrencies. This is the first thing. The second thing is that, not only that, I would definitely recommend like doing it and buying crypto for Binance, because they got how it's called, I don't even know how it's called, plenty of altcoins. So if you want to buy Bitcoin or Dogecoin, you can use Robinhood. But let's say you want to buy something else, some different altcoins, you should definitely use Binance, not Robinhood. And this is pretty much it. Both customer support is not that great on Binance and on Robinhood, like, understandable, only because it is what it is, right? So yep, thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you, provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.